Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Mechanical Engineers Theme. I am Jagdish. Today's topic is CATIA V5 tutorials. In CATIA, we are going to see how to activate or invoke line tool. By activating line tool, we can draw lines in Sketcher workbench. Okay, so basically in CATIA, a line tool can be activated or invoked by three ways. The three ways are Menubar, Toolbar and shortcut keys.
First, we'll activate line tool by using menu bar. Okay, so this is menu bar. So click insert button from the menu bar. So here is the insert button. Just click it. Now click profile. Now click line. Now click line. Okay. By clicking this line option, the line tool gets activated. So this is the way to activate a line tool by using menu bar. Now we will activate line tool by using toolbar. The toolbar used here is the profile toolbar. So this is the profile toolbar. I will drag it down. One sec. It's not good. Yeah. So this is the profile toolbar. So just select line tool from profile toolbar. Here is the line tool. Just double click it. So the line tool gets activated. So this is the easiest mode to activate a line tool. Okay. Now we will see the final way, that is the shortcut keys. Okay. So press Alt button and alphabet I simultaneously. Okay. Press Alt button and alphabet I button simultaneously. Now press alphabet P. Now press alphabet L. Now press alphabet L. So the line tool gets activated. Okay. The shortcut keys are Alt button and alphabet I simultaneously, and alphabet P, alphabet L and alphabet L, that is Alt I P L L. This is the shortcut keys used for activating a line tool. Okay.
So friends, these are the three ways to activate a line tool in Sketcher Workbench. I hope you all would have understood how to activate a line tool in Sketcher Workbench of CATIA V5. If any doubts are there, please do comment in comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment my video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Mechanical Engineers Theme. And also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get the new notifications for new videos. Okay, thank you friends.